Alright, so we've got a good video for you today. A subscriber, one of you guys, bloke named CJ from up in Queensland, he sent me down some slugs. Now I'll put a picture up of these on the screen here. They're Russian Shuttlecock slugs. They're 1 ounce. He has a mould for them, so he's moulded them himself out of, I think he said they were fucking tyre weights. He moulded a shitload and sent them down to me so that I could shoot them and put out a video for you guys. So this is one of the ones I've loaded up here, so you can see the slug there. And this is obviously a reused shell that I've reloaded. And we're going to launch these. I think off the top of my head, I think the book says that these are going to be going about 1450 feet per second. So they're not exactly slow, but they're not exactly fast. About average for a 1 ounce slug. So we're going to shoot these a few things, a couple of water bottles just to show you guys some things fucking exploding. And then we're going to try and do some accuracy testing out to like maybe 50, maybe 100 meters. We'll see how we go. We've only got, I think, 9 or 10 of these made up. And yeah, just blow some shit up. Let's get into it. All right, first one we're going to shoot is, we're shooting this way. And we're going to see how many of these we can go through. Do you reckon we should leave them spaced or put them together?
We can do one space and then we can do it together.
We'll do the space one first. And then, you want to shoot or am I shooting?
Oh, whatever, mate. Do one.
Amazing. One each?
Yeah.
Alright, well, I'll take the first one.
Bang, bang.
Oh, fuck. They're fucking squatting unsupported.
Ooh.
Holy fuck. A tree get smacked?
I was looking through the camera.
It was this fucking...
I heard it, mate.
Like right at the top there. That fucking...
It definitely angled out.
Got a fair bit of wallop to it.
Yeah.
What have we got here? Right, so... It's hit at the bottom. Oh, it must have hit the side.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, it's flown past this one.
Oh, you can see that there.
Yeah, yeah, it's quite close.
Probably bang somewhere through there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's where it's hit.
Oh, yeah.
As you can see the marks there. So
Yeah.
hit, and then
Look how it's actually like
on this,
flown right past it.
yeah, because that was not like that before.
Nah. And it's actually shrunk like.
Yeah, it has. It's like sucked it in.
Yeah.
Alright, so this time no gap, and we'll see if we can get that slug to pass through all three. And into that area again. Oh, big shooter Jeff's up this time.
Last time I used this, I couldn't hit much.
Redeem yourself. Got him. Fucking hell. Alright, so you definitely hit more centre than I did. I think
I sort of aim very like mid.
Yeah, I was purposely aiming low because I wanted to hit the meat of them, but I think I just aimed a little bit too far
Plus
left or
being
right.
together, like.
Yeah, we got no deviation, so.
Yeah, she was fucking.
So I think this would be the first one. Should have fucking labelled them.
Yeah.
Like numbered them 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. It's blowing the fucking lid out.
Yeah.
I reckon this one's the first one because of how much pressure is in it.
Yeah.
Second one
down a little bit.
has come. Is that the in-hole?
Yeah, just there. Coming out and blowing the arse out, and then same thing through here, coming in and blowing the arse out.
Huh. And then,
although, oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
No.
See where the,
Alright, well, let's accuracy test these now because we're shooting from fucking 10 metres. So let's stretch this out to however far that is, out to those. I think it's like 60. Yeah. Let's wait.
we could do,
no,
we could do
70.
Off that with the,
Oh, yeah. Well, let's get into that. Should be right. It's a pretty big fucking target. Fucking get off my fucking lens, you cunt.
Where are you going first?
I'm going to go for the big plate first.
Yep. High left, yeah.
High left?
Yeah, like
Cool, because I was aiming top edge, so.
Yep. Yeah, so probably just higher.
So I was aiming, because it's like triangular shaped.
Yeah.
I was aiming at the point of the right hand side.
The top right hand piece.
Yeah.
Well, it was probably just left then. Yeah. Yeah, I reckon if you go center right hand edge.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Low left, yeah. So they could be.
I did aim. I'm going to aim a little bit higher, not quite at the top, a little bit higher.
Yeah.
But right.
Okay. Still very low.
That looked like in line to me.
Yeah, pretty much. Just slightly right. So I think they're flying around a bit, eh?
Yeah, I think they are.
Like they're not being consistent.
No.
Well, yeah, I mean we go a bit closer.
Yeah, I reckon we do that.
Get the ting of the gong and stuff like. Don't need the binos anymore.
Nah, she'd be right.
It might be standing.
Oh, fuck! I definitely fucking, that was me. I was going to side. I was still coming up and just tapped it off. You can find the last ones.
Yeah, I know. Ooh, low left. That was pretty.
Yeah, they're not very consistent, eh?
No.
Low again?
I think so, yeah.
30 metres, I'm aiming here. There's about one doodle to the right. From that firing point back there. Couple of skips low.
Yeah.
There's one there. I swear there's probably two in the same spot.
Yeah.
There was definitely another low one. Consensus says they're not very accurate, they're not very consistent. I know the powder charge was exactly the same on all of those shells. They all had the exact same primer. They all had the exact same wad, all from the same batch. So the only difference between all those was the slug itself. So Russian shuttlecock slugs, look, they hit pretty fucking hard, but they're pretty inaccurate. So if you're nice and close on pigs, they'd be fucking excellent. Apart from that, they're just a good plinking round, a good fun. So thanks again to CJ for setting those in. You're a fucking legend. Next time we do a shotgun slug video, we'll probably have that, or those slugs used again, because I've got shitloads of them now. And yeah, if you want to help the channel out, hit Patreon. If you want to buy some merch, link in the description. Apart from that, go fuck yourselves. See you next video. Hoorah.